आता आपण solution of linear pair of linear equations by graphical methods. Let's see this method. Now we'll solve it directly. Question 1. To solve graphically, find the solutions graphically. First, 10 students of standard X took part in mathematics quiz. Total students participated in mathematics quiz 10. Now if the number of girls is 4 more than number of girls 4 more than number of boys. Now find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. For that purpose, let the number of girls be X and number of boys be Y. Now to solve it graphically, first form the equations from this. Total students are 10. Therefore, by the first condition, if number of girls is X and number of boys is Y, then X plus Y is equal to 10 is first equation. And by second condition, number of girls is 4 more than boys, that is X is equal to Y plus 4 or X minus Y is equal to 4 is second equation. Now from these two equations we can convert it into Y into, to find out the points, Y into 10 minus X, and this is Y is equal to X minus 4. Now we can choose points arbitrarily. You have to choose 3 points, 2 points for confirmation of line and third point to verify whether our relation is true or not. First of all, if we take X is equal to 0, then Y must be 10. If we take X is equal to 10, then Y is 0. Then if we take X is equal to 5, if we take X at 10, then Y is equal to 0. If we take X is equal to 5, then Y is equal to 5. This is first equation. For first equation, 3 points are prepared. X is equal to 0, X is equal to 10, X is equal to 5. Then for the second equation, different values of X we have to take positive values only. For that purpose, X and Y are 2 coordinates. Now we have to take 3 points. Suppose we take X is equal to 5, X is equal to 7, X is equal to 10. Then Y is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 4 is 6. As the value of X increases, value of Y also increases. Now from this we will draw the graph. The graph will be in the first quadrant only, because value of X and value of Y are positive, must be positive, because these are numbers of girls and number of boys, which are positive integer. X axis, Y axis, origin. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 it is more than sufficient. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now if we draw the graphs for the first line, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. This is the first point, 0 10. Second point, 10 0. 10 0 is this point, and 5 5 is a point between them. So the graph will be like this. The graph is like this. Now this is x plus y is equal to 10. Graph of x plus y is equal to 10. For the second equation, y is equal to x minus 4. Now when x is 5, y is 1. When x is 5, y is 1. When x is 7, y is equal to 3. X is 7, y is equal to 3. And when x is 10, y is equal to 6. 0 10. This is 10 0, and this is 5 5. Not 5 5. This one is 5 5. 5 5. Next one is x 5 1, then 7 3 and 10 6. Now if we draw this graph, it is like this. For this line, x minus y is equal to 4. Now both lines intersect at 7 3. Look at it carefully. 7 3. Therefore this is our solution, required solution from the graph. Solution is xy is equal to 7 3. Therefore number of girls in the class is equal to 7. Number of boys in the class is equal to 3. Now this is our final answer in words. Final answer in words. Now look at it carefully. First we have to prepare this table to find out the numbers. Then plot the numbers coordinates on the axis 0 10 10 0 5 5 5 1 7 3 10 6. From this draw the lines. Where the lines intersect, there is our solution. The solution is 7 3. That is number of girls is 7, number of boys is 3. Let's see the next example, that is second one. We are solving by graphical method. Okay, we are solving by graphical method. Question 1 second. Question 1 second. 5 pencil and 7 pens cost together rupees 50. Then 7 pencils and 5 pens cost rupees 46. We had to find out cost of one pen and cost of one pencil. Let cost of one pencil be rupees X and cost of one pen be rupees Y. Therefore what happens? By first condition, By first condition, the equation is 5x, 5 pencils, and 7 pens, 5x, 7y is equal to 50. First equation. By second condition, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Second equation. Now we have to find out the solution graphically. Now how to find out? We have to convert y. 7y is equal to 50 minus 5x. Therefore y is equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7. And here 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. Y is equal to 46 minus 7x upon 5. Okay. We will find out the points for different values of x and y. For different values of x and y. Suppose we make this table first. X, y. We need how many points? 3 points. Now for different values of, if we take x is equal to 2, y is equal to, x is equal to 3, then y is 35 upon 7 gives us 5. For x, y is equal to 0. For y is equal to 0. X is equal to 5x is equal to 50. X is equal to 10. Then for x is equal to 145, it will not be possible. Then for another values, only 2 values are possible here. Other values are fractions. Here, therefore, we will take only 2 values, x and y. We have to take different values of x is equal to 2. If we take x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2, no. X is equal to 1, no. X is equal to, if we take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y will be 9.2. Y will be 9.2. If we take y is equal to 0, then x will be something round about y is equal to 0, then x will be equal to 6, round about 7.6.6. Now from this we will draw the graphs. Only 2 points are possible here in the graph. Look carefully. We need to draw this graph in the first quadrant only. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. For first equation, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. The point is like this, 3, 5. Then when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0. the graph will be a straight line passing here. Pin 0. Okay. The graph will be passing from here like this. Now the equation, name of the equation is 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Now let's see the next 0, 9.2. 0, 9.2 is somewhere here. Then 6.60 somewhere here. Both lines pass like this, and from that, this is equation of the line 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. The two graphs intersect at 3 and 5. Therefore, solutions xy is equal to 3, 5. Therefore, cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 3. Cost of one pen will be rupees 5. Now you have to solve like this. The point of intersection gives us the solution.